For nearly 4 decades, LAPO Microfinance Bank, Nigeria's largest microfinance bank, has been committed to improving lives across the country, serving millions of low-income households with accessible financial services.
Strongly, we're a very impact-driven financial institution. It started that way with giving 3 women loans in 1987, and that has grown into millions of people being impacted. Now, for us, our mission is really to improve lives, starting with alleviating poverty. We provide funding for businesses to grow, but we also address social problems, education, health, supporting women, and just helping to build capacity as well.
Its partnership with Opportunity International EduFinance has strengthened this mission by helping LAPO develop specialized loan products for schools and parents, expanding access to quality education for children in underserved communities.
We started skeletally doing things around education finance, but maybe the technical support that would take us to where we want to be was not. But that vision was very clear that it wants LAPO Microfinance Bank to be big in the education financing space. Maybe that's what led to our contact with Opportunity International in 2019 or thereabout. I think ever since, that partnership has been a very rewarding one. It has helped us to deepen our reach in the education financing space, and we are very critically supported in product development. Our school improvement loan is as a result of that partnership. School fees loan, supporting small families to make them have access to financing for education, was as a result of those partnerships.
The partnership has been amazing. We've been able to develop products that is focused or targeted to the education sector, because we believe the cash flow of the education sector is way different from a traditional business, because most of their cash flow is from school fees, and it has some particular months that the bulk of it's coming. So we've been able to partner with financial institutions, borrowing LAPO, to design products that suits this cash flow and make lending and repayment easy for school leaders. And we've been able to get them to actually see education financing as a social finance as well. Some of them have it as part of their focus, really, of helping the sector. And they've been able to offer some interest rate that is lower than the general interest rate, just to be able to address and help the school leaders access finance to grow their different skills.
LAPO's education financing portfolio saw a major shift when Opportunity EduFinance assisted LAPO in redesigning its loan products, including repayment schedules, to align with how schools actually earn income, which is termly rather than monthly, reducing default risk and making loans more sustainable for both lenders and school proprietors.
Whether you take an educational finance loan or you take MSME loan, your repayment is going to be weekly or monthly, because we are financing business. But with EduFinance, it got us to know that you should build the repayment structure with the cash flow of the schools. Fortunately, most of these schools' income comes on a timely basis, quarterly. That was a turning point for us. Until that time, we never thought that it was possible to have loan repayment on a timely or a quarterly basis.
This partnership is especially critical in Nigeria's challenging economic environment, where the benchmark interest rate remains high at 26.5%, increasing borrowing costs for financial institutions and limiting affordable loan options for families and school owners. Despite this, LAPO's tailored products, school improvement loans, school fee loans, and teacher training loans are helping schools expand infrastructure, hire staff, and offer better learning environments while enabling parents to keep their children enrolled.
An issue around 4 years after establishing the school, so we had to relocate from where we are. We moved to another site called Alajidu online. When we got there, we noticed it was a water area. So the water is so much that when the rain rained, the children had to carry our legs up. I started seeking for loan in bank, so I was able to get in touch with LAPO. Then I remember vividly, my CEO was Gladys. She gave me a loan then. The loan enabled me to secure where the school is at Vesta.
Together, LAPO and Opportunity EduFinance are getting more children into better schools, strengthening school systems, creating jobs, and keeping young people off the streets and in classrooms, proving that education finance is a powerful tool for community transformation.